राज्यांत भलायकी खात्यांत जानेर म्हळ्यार सुमार 4 ते 4.5 कोटींची मशिनरी येतली. हातूंत एक्स-रे, अल्ट्रासाउंड आनी रक्त तपासणी सारकिल्ल्यो मशिनरी राज्यांत वेगवेगळ्या प्राथमीक भलायकी केंद्रांक तशेंच कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटरांक दितले म्हण माहिती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We have been talking a lot about Goa Medical College and all the big hospitals. But for the first time, on a mass scale, after making sufficient provisions for under bond and the existing doctors, radiologists that we require, and gynecologists and all, we have got additional doctors. We have got about 33 doctors now under bond. And I just want to inform you that out of the 33 doctors, they come from different fraternities. Already 12-13 doctors have reported, others are yet to report. We have also deployed 11 doctors. We have signed, executed the bond. Bond is already executed. We have taken 11 doctors who have done the MDS in dentistry, and they are being posted in the major hospitals and in the periphery wherever there are dentist chairs, so that the people in the village and in the rural areas get excellent facilities. Doctors on bond are attached to the main hospital, and they have to thrice a week at least do duties in the periphery. Now what has happened is, in order to back up and to ensure that in rural Goa also healthcare improves, we are spending close to 4.5 crores of rupees on procuring what was not there. Constantly you must have seen there is a lack of X-ray machine, there is a lack of ultrasound machine, there are lack of color Doppler. So mobile X-ray machines, ultrasound machines, high frequency X-ray machines with the required, those are the large machines, X-ray machines that are required, and also semi-auto analyzers for blood testing in all PHCs, CHCs. Our objective is in the next 6 months, before April next year, that every PHC, CHC will have blood testing facilities, and my objective and my dream is to see that even in the sub-health centers, at least a semi-auto analyzer is made available, so that blood testing facilities, basic tests like sugar and other things can be made available, and modern machines you get where the printout comes within 10 minutes. Our focus parallelly has been the rural healthcare also. And there are a lot of projects that are ongoing. I'll come one by one. Now mobile X-ray machines, we are placing 2 at Hospicio. We are placing 1 at Sub-District Hospital Ponda, 1 at Cottage Hospital Chikalim, 1 in Kurchore, 1 in Valpoe, 1 in Kepe, 1 in CHC Kankon, 1 in Sanghe, and 1 in North District Hospital Mapsa. These are mobile X-ray machines. The large X-ray machines are being put at the Cottage Hospital, Kurchore, Valpoe, Aldona, Bicholim, Kasarwane, Shiroda, and Pilie, that is Darbandora. Ultrasound machines. All these machines are already ordered. That's why I said it is better to brief the media that once, since we have already ordered, we expect all these machines to come by the end of Jan. So they will be fully functional by then. Ultrasound machines, we are placing them in CHC Kankon, CHC Kurchore, CHC Valpoe, PHC Sanklim, PHC Shiroda, PHC Darbandora, RMD Thane, which is in Sattari, and PHC Bedki.
Let's not skip.
And also the 3 color Dopplers which are ordered will be placed in Hospicio. 1 is for Chikalim and 1 is for Ponda. Now cost of all this comes to approximately 4.5 crores.